Hello everyone, welcome to Euron, and this video is going to be an announcement video for a new batch in a live mode that we are going to launch called as Big Data Masters. Many people are trying to prepare for a big data or they are trying to get into a big data industry. So this batch is designed for all of those folks who would like to get into this particular industry. So without wasting time, let's get into a screen and let's try to understand each and everything. So first of all, batch name is Big Data Masters. What we are going to discuss, how we are going to discuss, we'll come to that topic. But before that, let's talk about timing and start date. So start date is going to be 21st December 2024. That's a start date. Mode of delivery is going to be live and in English. So language is going to be English language. Now, what is the class timing? So class timing is going to be Saturday and Sunday, because it's been designed for a working professional, dropout, as well as fresher. And most of us, we know that we all are available on Saturday and Sunday. So that's the reason. So we are keeping this batch on Saturday and Sunday. And here is our timing. So 2:15 p.m. IST to 3:45 p.m. IST every Saturday and Sunday, we are going to have a class, and this batch is going to take approximately 4 to 5 months plus minus time to complete it. Now this is all about the timing, which is already mentioned over here. Now let's talk about a price. So price is minimal, guys, 2,000 rupees only. And if you have a plus access, Euron plus access, so in that case, just with 3,000 rupees, you will be able to access all the live batches, all the recorded class, all the project. Paid one I'm talking about. Free is anyhow available to everyone. You don't have to pay anything for it. And you will be able to access Euron Assist, so that you don't have to pay for a ChatGPT, Cloudday, Perplexity, or any GPT based, LLM based platform at $20 rupees per month, $240 rupees per year. You don't have to pay for it. You can just use Euron Assist, and believe me, it is going to give you everything the way any GPT platform is going to give you. Okay, fine. Now coming to a syllabus part, guys. So again, the syllabus is designed in such a way that even as a beginner, you all will be able to learn each and everything. We are going to start from an ABCD of each and everything. So whether it's a Hadoop or maybe a Spark, maybe a Flink, maybe a Storm, Tej, anything and everything, as you can see inside a syllabus, you will be able to find out. So whether it's a ETL process, or maybe it's a complete architecture, or maybe a data storage, data processing, everything we have mentioned inside this particular batch, guys, and the component that we use in general. So whether it's a Spark component, whether it's a Hive component, Flink component, Tej component, everything you will be able to find out in this particular section. And final thing is basically a project, because unless and until you don't have a project, what you will write inside your resume, what kind of experience you will be able to showcase. So yes, we are going to discuss a project which is not just one single component, but it's a combination of a multiple component in one just things. And that is something that we are going to discuss inside our class. We are going to productionize this project on a various cloud platform. It's not like it will be available just in our system. And then followed by this, we are going to talk about a resume. We are going to talk about interview preparation, so that you will be ready for our next batches. Now, who is going to take this class? So obviously it's going to be me who is going to take the entire class, whether it's a project, it's a theory, or maybe a practical aspect of it. I'm going to discuss in a live mode all of these things with all of you. Very simple, right? And that too, we are charging a super affordable price. It's not at all coming with the big price tag, just like anyone who is available in a market. And obviously we'll make sure that we are going to deliver uttermost quality, so that at the end of the day, you will be able to get a result. Because what we believe is, learning is not enough. Learning is not sufficient unless and until you are not going to convert those learning into an opportunity. And this is where Euron and all of us comes into a picture. Fine, guys. So I believe I am able to give you all the detail which is required for this Big Data Masters. Please go and check out to this particular page. You will be able to get each and every detail that I talked about, or maybe I haven't talked about, what you will learn, and this course includes, and prerequisite and everything. on this particular page, we have mentioned each and everything. So please go through this one and let me know if you have any kind of a concern, any kind of a doubt. Please feel free to drop us a mail at contact@euron.one. We'll be happy to clarify any kind of a doubt that you will be having with respect to this batch or maybe with respect to any other batches. With that, thank you so much, guys. See you inside a class.